Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a collapsible drop-down list in Excel. Let's begin. See this headers, fruit, vegetables. Select apple, mango, banana and write this fruits. Press enter and again copy to this vegetables. Press Ctrl C. Then select, press Ctrl V or type vegetable. Press enter. Then category item. Select C2 cells, go to Data tab, Data Validations, allow list and source, type fruits and vegetables, sorry, so select or type fruits, vegetables, then click OK and again click deselect, sorry D2, apply the same process, Data Validations, list and source, type to this formula into indirect C2, then click OK. Click fruits and see this show apple, mango, banana and since category vegetables, click D, tomato, potato, onion. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.